All right, writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Just remember, slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And really all we do with these equations is, when it sets up like this, is it's kind of like we're filling in a blank right here and here. And however you show those blanks is really up to you, but I mean, you can say, well, that's blank right there, and that's blank right there, okay? We just got to figure out what those values are. And for a graph like this one, the y-intercept is usually the easiest one to find, because all we're doing is looking for where this line, this blue line here, crosses the y-axis. I can see that it's right there. Now that would be the ordered pair 0, -4. But for the y-intercept, we just want the y value there, which is showing as -4, okay? And then as we've seen, there's two ways to find the slope. So you're gonna need 2 points though. We got this one, and then any other point will do. Looks like you could use this one at 1, -1, or this one at 2, 2, or even this one up here at 3, 5. But I'm just gonna use the one that's right next to it there at 1, -1. Okay, now the two ways you can do this to find the slope, because this is all you need. One of the main ways we see is this slope formula. Well, remember, you're looking for an x value that's in the denominator and then its corresponding y value in the numerator, and that would be for both points like this, okay? So for the purple ordered pair, the y-intercept, the x value is 0 and the y value is -4. So we put the x in the denominator and it's 0, and then the y value -4, that will go in the numerator. But then we have the other ordered pair, where x is 1 and then the y value is -1. So I replace the x with 1 in the denominator and the y value in the numerator with that -1. And remember, even though it's minus already, I still need to put this as a -1. Okay, from here, all I'm going to do is put this into the calculator, and when I do, I get a slope that's 3. And again, it's kind of like I'm just filling in a box right here. So this equation would be the equation that we need. Y equals 3x - 4. Yeah, so let's even show that right there. So that's the first method, is the slope formula. But then, yeah, you can also say, well, from the purple to the green point, I would say you'd have to go up, and then you'd have to go to the right. And be careful. I hear a lot of students when I talk about to the right, some students just say over. But you have to remember that direction does matter. If you go to the left for some reason, then that number would be negative, okay? So we can't just say over 1. So it is going up. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3 boxes, so it's up 3, and then to the right 1 box, which as a slope would be up 3 to the right 1. That's rise over run. So up 3 to the right 1, which equals 3 still, okay? So you'd have found the same slope either way. But again, your equations should look like this.